guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically report or add people on Valorant from your previous match history. So if you go to careers here, you'll be able to see your past matches. And I know I've been losing a lot, but this is just unrated and so play. I actually played this game for fun and not in a competitive way, but you're basically just going to select your match history. For instance, you want to add somebody from this match, so you are going to right click on the name and press add friend. But for instance, there's a toxic person on your match as well, you're just going to right click and select report, and you're going to select what happened with this player: comms abuse, text voice, cheating, leaving the game, AFK, offensive or inappropriate sabotaging the team, disrespectful behavior and threats. And I'm just going to close this because that person did nothing wrong. But that was just an example of how you can add and report players. You can also select the modes. There's competitive, custom game, deathmatch, escalation, Lotus, replication, snowball fight, which I think these two are not available right now. Spike Rush, Swift Play, and Rated. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!